Hello everyone, my name is Dominik Bartoszek, and in UpMenu I'm responsible for making marketing digital campaigns for restaurants. So I'm helping our clients to increase their revenue from online orders from their websites. And today I'm going to show you how you can build your own website for your restaurant. I think in 1 hour, and you can start selling online. So I'm going to show you what you have to do to make your website and how to settle up your payment options, your delivery areas. So guys, let's see at our agenda. So at the first I'm going to start to show you how to build a website, and as you can see there's no programming skills required, so you can make your own website if you are not a technician person, so don't worry about this. As the next step, we are going to talk about what distinguishes a well-designed restaurant website. So I'm going to show you a few tips how the website should be looking, what type of features website should have. And as the next step, I'm going to show you and tell you what type of content you should be posting on your website. So what you have to write about your restaurant and the other things that make your customer be more curious to order from you. And as the second step, we are going to settle up the online order system. So I'm going to show you, as I said, how to put your delivery areas, how to settle up a payment for your clients, how to add the menu, how you can edit your menu, how you can set up promotions. So I'm going to do a showcase of all of this stuff. And after that, we have 2 bonuses today that I'm going to show you at the end of our webinar. So if you're interested in, stay to the end. I'm going to show you how I'm going to explain you what does 2 types of bonuses going to work. But as you can see, the first bonus is a one-on-one workshop to create a website for your restaurant, and as the second bonus is an individual audit of your restaurant website. So if you have already a website, I can check it and tell you that everything is okay or not, or something is here to update or to change. So I will tell you about this more in the end of our webinar. So guys, before we can start, I want you to encourage to try UpMenu for free. If you register from the link in the description of the webinar, you can get 7 days trial, and after you are doing a few tasks, you're going to get under 7 days. So you can try UpMenu totally free, without commitment, without credit card, for 14 days. So if you don't have an account, if you are not our client, just try it, and you can try the things I'm going to show you today at our webinar. So I encourage you to try for free our system. So guys, I think we can start. Just let me show you my dashboard from system. So this is how you are going to what this is what you are going to see when you are register in UpMenu. So as you can see, it's a fresh account. I have this 7-day trial, and as I said previously, you have to do a few tasks, and if you do them, you are going to get extra 7 days. So 1 task, 1 day extra of trial. So you can extend it to up to 14 days. And guys, we are going to start from building a website. So I'm going to shop settings, theme option, and already I don't have any theme set, so I have to choose it. At this time we have, as you can see, 7 types of themes. there's going to be much more than now. So we are going to working about this to make them 20, 30, as many as we can do. And as you can see, they are not in English right now, so the text, the whole content is in Polish, because we are just set it up, and we want to show you how to use this builder. So don't worry about this Polish letters, about this Polish text. It's going to be in English soon. I don't know, about maybe few weeks it's going to be already finished to in English version. So don't worry about this. This is just temporary, and this is going to be in English. So I'm going to choose our theme. So I'm going to activate this. Alright, so as you can see, this was one of the tasks, so I got 1 day more in our trial. And so this is the theme that I choose to edit and to show you how you can make from scratch or from the theme. So I think the easiest way is just to take this one of the themes and just edit for this is going to be much easier for you. And okay guys, if you are our client, you can be a little bit shocked what's going on here. So I'm going to explain you that this is a totally new website builder, and these themes are also new. So if you don't have this option in your account, just message us about this. We are going to turn on this new website builder for you, but there is one thing you have to know. If you are choosing the new website builder, your already built website is going to be lost, so you have to make a website from scratch, because these two web builders are not compatible. So if you are going to choose a new web builder that I'm going to show you today, you have to message us about this, and we are going to switch you for making your possibility to use this new features. So guys, I'm clicking the customize button, and I'm going to show you how this web builder works, how this looks, and what you can do, and how you can edit the whole website. So guys, we have 4 modules in our web builder, the 4 core modules, and the first is an editor. So you can, as you can see, visually edit the whole website. And there's a thing that I said previously, no programming skills required, because as you can see, you can do it really easy. Just put your sentences here, and you can edit it totally visually with doing something in code of your website. So this is the first thing, and I'm going to show you all of the features of this editor, but let me explain you the other sections. So we have a design section when you can edit color palettes, so you can set your own colors that are going to be repeatedly using in a whole website, or you can choose one of the preset color palettes. Also, you can change your typography, so you can select your font. There are plenty fonts that you can choose to. You can change their sizes, their weights. So there are many options to customize your own website. And also you have a settings tab, so you can set a page type. So this is a full website, and if you have your own website and want only our system, you can just switch it to only the menu, and you can put it on your website. You can choose what the type of sub pages are going to be a home page. So I have this in Polish. So this is a home site, this is about us, this is order online, gallery, and contact. Information about cookies. So if you are collecting your customer data, you can put there a GDPR bar that every user have to accept before entering your website. And also you can add many more languages. So if you are in, I don't know, as I am in Polish, I can add in English for my English clients. If you are from United States, you can add I don't know, Spanish for your Latin American clients or something. So you have plenty options to make your website multilingual. And also the last thing are the pages. So you can customize your pages. You can make a CEO changes. If you don't know what is a CEO, I'm encouraging you to view the previous webinar that I made about a month ago, and you can I'm going and I'm explaining you what are the types of marketing. So what is the CEO, what is Google Ads. So if you don't watch it, I encourage you to watch this webinar later. So you can find the link in our blog on our website, or I'm going to put you in the chat this link. So as I said, you can make changes for your CEO pages options here. You can of course manage the order of the sites. So what is going to be the first, I'm going to say save, wait a second, save, yeah. So we can changing the order of our sub pages. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the power of the wall editor. So as you can see, we can make everything in visual mode, so you don't have to put any line of code. You can add a block when you can choose what this block should look like, so how many sections is going to have. So you can start from scratch, or you can choose the pre-built, as you can say, headers, and many others of your website. So you can just try them. If you want to change them, you can easily just try to the size of the font change by determining that this is the heading. You can bold this. Also you can do many changes to a standard text, as you probably recognize. You can change easily images. Just put there change image, and you can upload your own images. You can take the images from our library of the theme that you have set it. As you can see, this is really easy to build a website, to manage a website or edit the website, even if you are a restaurateur without programming skills. So as you can see, we can change the background of our section, the wall section. So this is going to be the black. So we can change our colors of the headers. We have plenty of options. And as you can see, this works really easy. If you want to a call to action, you are going to take this, you can edit, and voila, you have your call to action section done. As you can see, this is really easy to make it. So I'm going to delete this sections right now. And the next things, the buttons. You also have plenty of options to customize your button. Also, if you don't want to use the pre-built things, you can use easily. Just wait a second, I'm going to show you. So let's start from the scratch to section block, and also you can add your own and style your own elements. So if you want to a button, you can do your own button. You don't have use pre-built elements of website. You can put a video and many other things, as you can see, to build a really nice looking website that sells. As you can see, you have to register and you have to try this, how this is going to be working for you. If you are going to have any issues, or some of the options are not quite understand for you, just type to us to chat. I'm going to show you. In panel you have chat. My face is a little bit covering this, but you can take questions to us by through this by our email contact mapa. Contact that upmenu.com. Sorry for that Polish sentence here, and also you can check out our help center library when we have whole knowledge about our system. So there are the whole things about how something works, how to set up something, how to edit something. So you have the whole help center that you can just use to better manage your website, to better manage your orders. So if you have any issues, just as I said, contact us, or you can use for help center if you have any if you're stuck in something. So okay, so I show you what you can actually design. Of course, you can because I don't say this. You can change your logo. You can change your favicon that this displays here. So everything is changeable. As you can see, you can choose the layout of your navigation. So the navigation can looks like this, but in most cases, I think this is the one of the beautiful layout that I'm going to personally like. Also, you can, of course, choose to how this is going to be looking your footer. So also you can see you can change the layout of the footer. You can change the many logo in your footer. So there are plenty options to customize your own website. And as you can see, if you are using theme, you can edit in less than an hour, make your colors, put your logo, and I'm going to show you in the next steps how to set up online ordering system. So right guys, so I think we can go to the our dashboard in UpMenu, and I'm going to show you the whole settings for setting up your online order in your website. And guys, so today I'm not going to show you how to build from scratch a website, because I'm going to show you how you can make on your own the website and set up the online orders. If you want me to show you how to build a website from scratch, let me know in the chat. I'm going to make a extended second webinar about website building in restaurants using our web builder. So we are going to just do a workshop when I'm going to build a website without showing you how to set up online orders. So guys, I think we can go to our dashboard, and first thing, of course, you have a dashboard here. There are going to be statistics of your orders, so you can easily manage how many orders you have, how many cost what is the cost of them, so how many you earn from them. And let me see you. The first thing you have to, of course, set up. It's your menu, and as you can see, we have here test menu. So if you are registering, you have to totally the same sample menu, and you can easily edit. As you can see, type new section, and so I'm going to make another section if I going to type test. So I'm going to test. As you can see, the category of our menu is just added in a second. Also, I can easily add items to our section. So I know add some pizza. I can, of course, this was the another task to make to get one more day in trial. So the pizza, also I can choose the price of the product. let's say this is going to be at the top pin 10 pizza. So right, also let's add a spaghetti. And as you can see, this is totally easy. You can add images to your sections, so the section in your website can have an image. Also, you can put the images of your, as you can see, products, so everything in the menu can be visible to customer. And if you are going to use photos, I'm going to tell you, you are going to increase your sales, because if you have images in your menu, people are going to be more curious to try your restaurant, because they see actually what they can expect from your restaurant if they order online and they are ordering from the first time. So just put the images are the killers of website ordering for restaurants. So as you can see, this is totally easy to add your menu, to edit this menu. Of course, you can you have many other options of customizing your menu. As you can see, there's a spaghetti. I can put here a description. In this description, I can bold something. So this is going. You have plenty of options to edit your menu. You can choose the sizes of your dishes. So if you have a pizza sizes different, like 30, 40, 50 centimeters, you can change it easily. You can set it easily. Of course, you can choose the labels. So if you are, I don't know, have a spicy dish, you can just put here, this is a spicy dish. And of course, you have advanced settings, so you can check your availability. So if you, I don't know, a few of the products are now unavailable in your restaurant, you can just in one click shut down from their website, and as you can see, there are many other options that I cannot explain you in one webinar, because this is going to be about a few hours to explain you what each of these settings, how each of these settings is working. So if you are going to have troubles, any issues, as I said, you can easily contact with us by chat, or you can use our help center. So if you are you can click take a tour, and there are going to be tutorial how to make everything in this section. Or of course, you can learn more about this section, and so looking forward for more options. So if you don't have, I don't know, you don't know how to set up different prices in delivery, just check this our help center. And as I said, there are the whole knowledge about our system, so there are no things that you can see. So guys, so this is how this looks. So you have to put your menu here. Of course, if you have really big menu, this is not going to be in 1 hour for you. But if you have a few pizzas, you can make your website with online orders in 1 hour. I can make a speed run if you don't believe me. So guys, I'm going to set up delivery areas. So if you have your website, you have to put your delivery zones. So you have two options of making them, and as you can see, there are many tutorials. So everything you have you don't know how to use it, there are straight answers how to do it. So this is how this works. And guys, you can put your areas like this, making squares or different shapes. And of course, you can make a circle. So if you wanted to circular area, you can settle it. And also you can have as many as you want. So if you have clients that are really far from you, you can type them different delivery costs done to clients that are nearby your restaurant. So let's say this is our zone first, and the cost of this zone is the 4, and we can save it. And as you can see, we can add a next delivery zone that is going to be much more bigger. and this is going to be second, and this is going to be a 10 cost of delivery. So everyone in this, the first are going to pay for the delivery, and the rest of these clients are going to pay 10 for the delivery. So as you can see, you can manage the totally free. So if you have different types of regions that you are delivering your food, you can easily set it up. Of course, guys, you have to set up your working hours, and you can, of course, set up the default restaurant opening hours. You can have a different hours for delivery, for pickup, and also for booking. So if you have many customers about 6 to 10 p.m., you can just shut down the reservation module in this hour. So there are plenty options to make your system flexible for you, for your restaurant, for that type of business that you are providing. So if you set up this, of course you have to set up your address, where your restaurant is, your contact, email, so that everything crucial elements of your website and your system. And of course you can settle payment types, and as default you have a cash and card payments. So this is the default payments, and if you want an online payment, so your client can pay for food online, you can use a Stripe integration, and of course your client's going to have a possibility to pay online for the order. So if you have this, you can go straight to the another things, the marketing. And of course we have plenty of options to make campaigns. You can settle a promotion or event. You can generate your discount coupons, so you can send them for your customers through email. You can give them by leaflets. So you have plenty of options. Also you have a loyalty program. So if your customer are going to ordering from your website, they can collect their points from buying from you, and these points can be spent for I don't know, free food, extra things in your restaurant. You decide how your loyalty program should look like. And also you have campaigns, so you can straight in just send an SMS campaigns to your clients, made an emails, so you can do it straight from the system. You don't have another extension or software. There's all-in-one. You can send, of course, the push notifications if you have mobile application that I'm going to explain you later. And of course, you have a marketing automation. So if you want to, your marketing is going to be a little bit automated, you can use it. And of course, there are plenty of options. Oh, wait a second, something is stuck. All right, so there we go. And so you can make marketing automations rules. So if you, as you can see, if the customer has not ordered for some time, and you can set up it, I don't know, 30 days, the system is going to send the automatically SMS code with a coupon to your client, encouraging them to place an order on your website, to use this coupon to get discount and order from you. So you can make an upsells by making this marketing automations things that you can see. So guys, the next thing I think we are going to see, there are integrations. Wait a second, this is not here. There are statistics. So as you can see, there are plenty of integrations that you can use in your website. You can put your Google Analytics code, your Metapixel code from Facebook Tag Manager. Also, you have an integrations of the restaurant POS systems, delivery, as you can see. So there are plenty of options to integrate with outside services. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you the last thing we have. And this is the mobile app that I said previously. If you want to send a push-up notification, you have to have you have to have an application. So you can, of course, build your application on your own, as you can see, and it's totally easy. You are just choosing your colors of everything in the app. You are uploading your restaurant logo for your app. You are setting your restaurant name as a app name, and you are saving this. You are buying this because the application is not for free. And after that, we are publishing your application in App Store and Google Play, so the clients with iPhones or Android phones can download them. And why this is a really quite nice thing to have, because you are building more loyalty of your customers. So if your customer is going to download your restaurant app, you have free push notifications, so you can send them promotions, informations about your menu, about your news, and the client is going to be ordering from your website, I think, more times than without application. So we are building a loyalty of your client, and as you can see, you can make your own mobile applications. You can customize it and put it in the App Store and Google Play for your clients. So this is another amazing thing to have advantage of your competition and getting mobile app. So guys, I think this is it about our showing you the system. So I'm going to wait a second. I'm going to shut down my camera because I'm covering the presentation. So guys, as I said, there are two bonuses. The first of them is a one-on-one workshop to create a website for your restaurant. So what are the conditions that you have to made to get your website? So if you are a new customer, you have to register in UpMenu and choose the basic plan for 3 months. And if you are choosing this, send me your restaurant. Send me your restaurant name to my mail, dominik.bartoszek.upmenu.com, and I'm going to build a whole website for you. So we are going to send me your details about how you want to what you want to be your website look like, and I'm going to make this website. Or if you are our customer, you have to be just active for at least 3 months, and we are going to make a new website for you. But there are again conditions. We can make only 2 websites, so the first 2 persons are going to get this website if they are meeting our conditions. So who's going to be the most faster is going to get a free website. So this is the bonus 1, guys. And the second bonus, as I said, is an individual audit of your restaurant website. So if you have already your website of restaurant, send me a link to my email. I'm going to create an individual audit with tips how you can just improve your restaurant website to get more online orders, what you can change, what you can update to have a better website. So if you are curious about your website, just send me a link and I'm going to reply to you with audit. So guys, thank you very much for joining our webinar. Where's my camera? Oh, I don't have to show it myself. There is just my image, I think. So guys, I really thank you for joining me today to this webinar. If you have any questions about the system, about the website building, just put them right now in the chat. We can make a Q&A session. I'm going to answer for the questions in the chat. And also, if you have any questions after the webinar, you can just save my email, and if you have any if you have any questions, just send them to my email. So guys, thank you very much for joining me today. I wish that I make everything okay, so you understand what I want to show you during the webinar. Sorry for my English. I'm still going to be better in English, so give me a few more webinars and my English probably is going to be much better. And alright guys, so let's do a Q&A session, and I'm waiting for your questions in the chat, so put them.